In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo shortcut on your PC desktop. This simple guide will only take about 5 minutes of your time, and by the end, you'll have quick access to your favorite news and email portal directly from your computer screen. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on your desktop. What you need to do is right click on any empty area. This action opens a small menu with various options. From all these options, look for and click on New, hover over it, and on the next menu that appears, select Shortcut. This is a straightforward category in Windows that allows you to create shortcuts for applications, files, or web pages, like we're doing now. After you click Shortcut, a new window should pop up on your screen. This window is where you'll define what this shortcut will connect to. Here you'll see a field labeled Type the location of the item. In this field, type in the URL that you want to create a shortcut for. In this case, you'll need to type https www.yahoo.com. This link is the homepage of Yahoo, encompassing everything from email access to news and various other services Yahoo provides. After you've entered the URL, go ahead and click on that Next button right at the bottom of this window. Moving to the next screen, now it's time to name your shortcut. Naming is important because it's how you'll recognize the shortcut on your desktop. You can simply name it Yahoo, so there's no confusion about where this shortcut will take you. However, the great thing is you can choose any name that works for you. Titles are flexible, but in this case, simplicity is key. Once you've named it, click the Finish button. That's it. Your shortcut is now completed and should be visible on your desktop. This new icon acts as a direct portal to Yahoo, making access quick and convenient. It's positioned neatly among any other shortcuts that populate your screen, so it's easy to find whenever you want to check in on the latest news or access your Yahoo email. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to save time and keep your most visited sites within easy reach. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech tips like this, and click on the notification bell so you're always updated with the latest guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of your new Yahoo shortcut.